Good morning to all traders and welcome to this Markets in Waves video. Today, Monday, the 22nd of March, and of course it's going to be an interesting session. As you will remember, last Friday we looked at dollar against the Turkish lira, and this is what I'm going to start today because we've seen a 15% move overnight, I would say. What else we're going to look is oil, silver, pound, and as well as the dollar CAD. So starting with dollar against the Turkish liras, guys. If you remember, we're still moving here. We're talking about the possibility of this being an ABC and we're moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or also the possibility of this is becoming a W, X, and Y. Okay. Now, one would assume that since we've just actually broken below wave 1, then most likely this can be an ABC. So it means that we're going to start moving lower with another ABC to complete a W, X, and Y, which is very possible. However, I'm also thinking, because over here we're wave 4, which means that we're going to go in wave 5. These guys could easily also turn out to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like some sort of ending diagonal, because you understand that the moment that this happens, then we've got a motive wave, not an impulsive wave, right? Either that or we are resting lower. So it could be a case where this is an ABC for wave 1. You're going to get an ABC, 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 and ABC, because ending diagonals can only be corrective. Right, so this is what I'm looking for this particular pair. I would be looking, to be honest, well, the truth is that most of this 15% move was like 60%, 70% was already discounted. So we can indeed be looking for a full retracement, but I doubt that is going to be the case if we take into account also a bit of the fundamentals. Okay, but pay attention to, to the 7.48. and then the previous low. If we break below that level, then we are most likely going for a W, X, and Y. And that will be, of course, wave A of Y. Now, oil. Also looked at it, I think it was Thursday or Friday. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, and we're expecting a 4. I was expecting a rejection over here. We could still get it, okay, and then move lower, or we already got it, which means that we're going to start heading lower now. Now, we've done the 161.8 Fibonacci extension here of waves 1 and 2 at 58, 55, and that is why I think wave 3 is in already. I'm not sure if wave 4 is finished, but in either case, most likely we're going to see a continuation down in wave 5 around 56.70 or even perhaps 53.70. Yeah, so once we get there, we're gonna probably get a correction in wave B. Until we get there, well, we need to pay attention in the short term. Now silver, we also looked at this potential ending diagonal here, a bit of a weird structure for an ending diagonal, one might say, but still it's the only play out, let's just call it, that we have for this particular opportunity right here, because this is an A, B, and a C for running flat, okay? Because we don't want to go below the previous low. So I'm looking at 23.65, guys, okay? Last week we said in case we start moving lower here, then this means that these two signals are going to be supporting a bearish move, and this is currently what we're seeing. So I'm looking 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is ABC, 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 and with A, B, and a C. Okay, now the A obviously might not be done yet. It could be a case where this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna see A down here, then B, and then C. In either case, I'll be looking for the 25.33, then 24.83 to break in order to support this idea. On the pound, again, we're looking at downside here. It looks like most of the moves are on the downside today. we were talking about an ABC, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here, a flat pattern which has already come in now, in my opinion. Yeah, and we moved impulsively down 1, 2, well, 3, 4, and 5. The question is, is wave 3 finished here, or we're going to go lower down to 137.67? Because the truth is that, you know, we've only extended like just a bit of over 100%, and that is not usually a wave 3, especially when we're looking at a break below a previous low, right? Because we're looking at the break of this channel actually, and we still remain above this channel. So as long as we remain above the channel, okay, or within the channel, let's just say, there is still a lot of chances that this is going to end up being just a correction here, you know, and continue higher. But the moment we break below, okay, then the situation is going to change. So with that said, this is a clear 1, this is a 2, okay? We could get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up and down, or it could be a case where this is 1, 2, we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. So most likely wave 3 is going to be very extended and it's going to cause a breakout. Then we're going to get 4 and then we're going to get 5, which means wave 1 is going to be around 136.49. Okay. So in the shorter term, I'll be definitely looking for a break lower rather than higher, because if we break higher, then it could be a case where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm going to start moving higher. And last, dollar against the Canadian dollar. Last week we talked about the rejection down here at the 200 Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2. And of course we've got a fresh low as well at the 100 Fibonacci extension. If we look at the intermediate, at the minor degree a few months back, okay, waves 1 and 2, this is wave 3 and 4 actually, the 100 Fibonacci for wave 5. So it could be a case where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We ended and we're going to move higher, but because this still looks impulsive, yeah. Or it could be a case where, and this is mainly what I suspect is the case, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So last week we were down here and we suspected that we're going to see a continuation on the upside for a rejection, for a correction in wave 4. So we didn't cross above the 125.71, which is where this wave is going to be considered as a motive or perhaps even a reversal to the upside. So as long as this remains impulsive on the downside, we're looking for further declines. Now, this could be a case that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A, we're going to get a B, and then we're going to get a C, okay, to go up to the 50 Fibonacci retracement of this downside leg. So we'll be really pay attention in the short term for a potential decline down to 124.36 or so for a correction, and then continue higher. Or in case we break below, then I would probably be looking for the breakout of the previous low, and then we can even get down to 122.68. Perhaps that might be overextended though, taking into account though that wave 3 did a 200 Fibonacci extension. Any low below the previous local can be considered a move on the upside, a reversal, as long as, of course, we get some signals on the RSI and on the MACD, because at the moment we do not. So, guys, this will be all for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it helpful, click the like button. If you have questions, click the button to ask a question on our YouTube comments section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak again tomorrow.